Benefit just announced that they are launching 2 new products, and I am going to share them with you. I wanted to be one of the first to review them here on YouTube. So we know and we love the Precisely My Brow Pencil. These are additions to them, to this pencil here. Okay, we have the Precisely My Brow Wax and the Precisely My Brow Detailer. So as of right now, I do not know what day it's actually going to launch. Today we're finding out that they are coming out with this. I don't have any information as to launch date. I just have product information. So once I have the launch date, I'll have it listed down below in the description box. And I will also tag the products down there if you guys want to purchase them. But let's go ahead and jump into like a try-on review of these products here. Let's get started with reviewing the Precisely My Brow Wax. They sent over the color Cool Soft Black. Number 6, this is a full pigmented sculpting brow wax. It is lightweight, mess-free wax, precisely sculpts brows with rich, natural-looking color. It has a dual-sided brush for targeted application. It's supposed to be 12-hour wear with smudge-proof and sweat-proof instant payoff. Now let's move on to the Precisely My Brow Detailer. The new Precisely My Brow Detailer is a microfine detailing brow pencil. This brow pencil gets down to the details with its teeny tiny 0.8 millimeter tip. You can create hair-like microfine lines to add detail and dimension to your brows. This is also a 12-hour wear, waterproof and smudge-proof. It glides on smoothly. At the bottom of this pencil, you do twist to get the product out. This is what it looks like, and I received the color number 5. Number 5 is considered to be a warm black brown. You can see here how thin this little pencil is. I'm kind of scared to break it. Let me show you what the strokes look like. Very thin hair-like strokes. Oh, it did break. It's kind of not that easy to like glide on, to be honest. It doesn't glide on easily without applying pressure, and if you apply too much pressure, it kind of breaks. Well, actually, it's kind of gliding on a little bit easier if I turn it over. But yeah, you do have to put quite a bit of pressure to get it to apply on to the skin. My skin right now is going through it. I have rosacea, which causes the red, rosy cheeks, but on top of that, I have been dealing with a lot in my personal life, and I took Benadryl. When I break out in hives is because of my stress. So that's why my skin is like going through it right now. But I'm going to bring you guys up and close so you guys can take a look at me using these products. Let's go in with the Precisely My Brow Detailer. And we're going to start to create hair-like strokes in this beginning portion of the eyebrow right here. I'm excited to try it over on this eyebrow because if you take a good look, my eyebrows on this side grow this way. And my eyebrow hairs over here are very, very sparse. Like, you can't even tell I have eyebrow hair right there. But they grow upwards right about here. Do you see that? So I want to create 2 different videos because obviously I want to create content for Instagram. So I'll be doing one eyebrow with you guys, and this other eyebrow will be a video over on my Instagram. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked down below in my description box as soon as that video is up. I'll probably share it as a short as well. But I just really wanted to show you my eyebrows and how they're like completely different from each other. Literally more hair right here, less hair right here. This one grows up, this one goes to the side. And overall, they're just very sparse, okay? Early 2000s really messed my shit up. The over plucking, the shaving of the eyebrows. Yeah, girl. These are the consequences. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's begin filling them in using this new product. Again, this is the Precisely My Brow Detailer. And I'm going to go in this area right here and do little flicking motions. Ooh, actually, why is it applying so easily on my eyebrows? But when I swatched it on my hand, it looked different. It looks so natural. I love it. Can you guys pick that up on camera? Like how easily it's just gliding on. And no pressure either. Oh my god, that was amazing. And they look so natural. If you want to go for that natural brow, you can stop there. well, you can continue using that brow product, but of course, I like more precise eyebrows. So I'm going to go in with the Precisely My Brow pencil to finish filling in the rest of the eyebrow. And this color here is the number 6, which is a cool soft black. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my shape like that. And I'm just going to begin to fill it in. I like creating the illusion that I have really full eyebrows because honestly, my eyebrows are just so thin that I just prefer having thicker eyebrows. I also feel like it takes up some room off of my forehead because I think I have a pretty large forehead. I have a pimple right here, so it's kind of hard to fill in that area. Just going with the flow. I'm following the natural shape of my eyebrow, just creating that fullness. Now I'm taking the spoolie on the other side of the Precisely Brow pencil to comb all the hairs down. That way I can see where I still need to fill in a little bit more. Alright, now that I filled in my eyebrow, I'm going to go in with the Precisely My Brow wax. And I'm going to start to brush the hairs in the direction that I want them to stay in. Ooh, I like this wax. It feels thicker. It feels thicker than their than the other wax that they have. What is the other one called? The other wax that they have is called the Fluff Up Flexible Hold Brow Texturizing Wax. And that one, I feel like it leaves a little bit of white residue. You see right here, it just needs a little bit more filling in. Right there. Yeah. The eyebrows are locked in. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer and I'm just going to start to clean them up. Then just going in with my finger to distribute the concealer on the rest of my eye. I don't like cleaning up the top. I just don't feel like it looks very natural when I do that. I'm not saying that this looks super natural, but it'll look less than it already does, you know? But that is how my eyebrow is looking like using these products. Let me come a little bit closer, but I have to whisper because then they'll be too loud on the mic. Look at that eyebrow. Girl, that is a transformation right there. Maybe I should clean up right here. It's because I have a pimple right there. That's why it looks funny. Or else it wouldn't look that funny, okay? I promise I'm pretty good at doing eyebrows usually. I'm going to go do this eyebrow off of camera now. Well, actually on camera, but just for my Instagram. If you guys want to check out that video, again, I'll have it linked down below in the description box as soon as I post it over to my Instagram and my TikTok. Okay, I just finished up the other eyebrow and I'm realizing that my eyebrows look very bold and I was going for natural. But I'm probably going to finish up my makeup later on in the day. I have to start cooking right now because my daughter's on her way home from school. But I wanted to give you guys my final thoughts in regards to both of these products here. I really like this brow gel because it is tinted and it has a lot of control. So if you are already wearing your full face of makeup, sometimes you get powders or bronzer or whatever it is onto your eyebrow hairs and you can kind of see the powders on the eyebrow hairs. So if you go in with a tinted brow gel, it's going to cover that up. So you can use this before applying all of your face makeup or after for a final touch. So I really like this brow gel a lot. And then for the Precisely My Brow Detailer, I feel like this is not something that I personally need, although I really do like it because of this eyebrow specifically. This eyebrow is very sparse in this beginning portion and it makes it really easy to create hair-like strokes. But like I can do that with the Precisely Brow pencil, so like why spend extra, you know? But if you have just natural, beautiful eyebrows, I envy you. And you'll probably just need a little bit of filling in with this one here, which is the Precisely Brow Detailer. So I genuinely think it's a great product. It's just not for me. I have a lot of work to do. So I always go in with my handy dandy Precisely Brow pencil that does it all. And then I also expressed to you in the beginning portion of the video that it is very thin. So you have to kind of put quite a bit of pressure and sometimes they might break. But as I was applying to my eyebrows, I didn't really experience that. So I don't know, maybe my hands are a lot drier than my face because I have an oily skin type, so maybe that's why it kind of glides on easier. Those are my thoughts for the detailer pencil and the brow wax from Benefit. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. Will you be picking these up, or is this a pass for you, and why? ¿Por qué? A ver, platícame in the comments down below. But anyway, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. I am trying to get back into the groove of creating content. Girl, I can't believe I used to post 3 to 4 times a week before, and now I'm struggling to even get one video up. But if you guys show up for me in the comments, I'll feel a little bit more motivation, you know? I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.